Are you curious about the 100% organic cotton insert? Maybe you're still wondering what it's all about or how to use it. Either way, you're in the right place. Here's how it works. Just place your organic cotton insert on the soft side of your castor oil pack so that the edges of both are aligned. Then, thread the straps through the holes on either side of the organic cotton flannel. The cotton flannel insert is made with 100% organic, unbleached, hypoallergenic cotton that can be easily inserted into your favorite less mess Queen of the Thrones pack. We designed this insert so you can extend the life of your favorite less mess castor oil pack and get additional support and protection. On top of all that, the cotton insert will actually save you money. Just replace it every 2 months so your less mess castor oil pack lasts even longer. So once you thread the straps, just add about 1 tablespoon of castor oil to your insert, or apply it directly onto your skin, and you're all set. Just place your pack on your body and wear it daily for at least an hour, or ideally overnight. Enjoy!